Stop sounding like a beginner in your office meetings. If you are still starting every sentence with I think, you need to watch this. Save this video for your next interview or office meetings. Here are 20 formal and natural alternatives to replace I think. Perfect for your office meetings and interviews. Category number 1. For giving professional opinions. Use these when you want to sound confident and polished in a meeting or email. Number 1. In my view. For example, in my view, we should launch the campaign next week. Number 2. From my perspective. For example, from my perspective, this design aligns better with our brand. Number 3. It appears to me that. For example, it appears to me that the current strategy needs adjustment. Number 4. As I see it. For example, as I see it, this project has massive potential. Number 5. To my mind. For instance, to my mind, this is the most cost-effective solution. Now, category number 2. For showing strong conviction or belief. Use these when you don't just think something, but you are completely sure of it based on your knowledge. Number 1. I am confident that. For example, I am confident that our team will meet the deadline. Number 2. I believe that. For instance, I believe that open communication is the key to success. Number 3. It is my belief that. For example, it is my belief that we need to invest more in research. Number 4. I am of the opinion that. For example, I am of the opinion that this policy requires a rewrite. Number 5. I maintain that. For example, I maintain that this was the right decision to make. Category number 3. For academic and analytical writing. Perfect for essays, formal reports, or high-level business presentations. Number 1. The evidence suggests that. For example, the evidence suggests that consumer behavior is shifting toward online shopping. Number 2. I gather that. For example, I gather that the client is satisfied with our initial draft. Number 3. Based on my assessment. For instance, based on my assessment, the risks are minimal. Number 4. I conclude that. For example, I conclude that further testing is required. Number 5. It is evident that for. For example, it is evident that the new software has improved efficiency. Category number 4. For speaking from personal experience. It's great for professional discussions where you are sharing your personal observations. Number 1. In my experience. For example, in my experience, these kinds of tech issues take a few days to resolve. Number 2. It has been my observation that. For instance, it has been my observation that clear goals keep employees motivated. Number 3. If you ask me. It is semi-formal and great for conversational business speech. For example, if you ask me, we are looking at the problem from the wrong angle. Number 4. From where I stand. For example, from where I stand, the future looks incredibly bright for the company. Number 5. I reckon that. It is commonly used in formal or professional British and Australian English. For instance, I reckon that the market will stabilize by next quarter. If you found these insights helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to High Talk English Academy for more strategies to refine your communication skills. Drop a comment below with the topic you would like me to break down next. Thank you for watching. Till then, keep practicing and yes, be a better you.